Welcome to Study Point. Here we are discussing some important questions of computer networks and internet. Our first question is, what is a computer network? Given options are a device used to display information on a computer screen. B, a collection of interconnected computers and devices that can communicate and share resources. C, a type of software used to create documents and presentations. D. The physical casing that protects computers' internal components. Your correct answer is option B. A collection of interconnected computers and devices that can communicate and share resources. We know that computer networks are the interconnection between two or more computers which are capable of exchanging information between them. See the explanation. A computer network refers to a collection of computers and devices linked together to share information, resources, and services. This interconnection enables communication, data sharing, and collaboration among the devices within the network. Next question. What is Internet? Given options are A. Single network, B. A collection of unrelated computers, C. Interconnection of local area networks, D. Interconnection of wide area networks. Here correct answer is option B. Interconnection of wide area networks. We know that Internet is the network of networks. See the explanation. The Internet is a global network formed by connecting wide area networks, enabling worldwide communication and data sharing. Next question. Internet access by transmitting digital data over the wires of a local telephone network is provided by dash. Given options are A. lease line, B. digital subscribers line, C. digital signal line, D. digital lease line. Your correct answer is DSL, that is B. digital subscriber line. With explanation, DSL is the technology designed to use the existing telephone lines to transport high bandwidth data to service subscribers. DSL was used to allow the early users access to the internet, and it provides dedicated point-to-point public access. Next question. ISP exchanges internet traffic between their networks by dash. Given options are A. Internet exchange point, B. Subscriber endpoint, C. ISP endpoint, D. Internet endpoint. The correct answer is option A. Internet access point. So what is Internet access point? ISP means Internet Service Providers. So ISPs exchange internet traffic between their networks by using Internet access point. ISPs and CDNs are connected to each other at these physical locations, and they help them provide better service to their customers. Next question. To join the internet, the computer has to be connected to a dash. Given options are A. Internet Architecture Board, B. Internet Society, C. Internet Service Provider, D. Different computers. Your correct answer is option C. Internet Service Provider. The ISPs are the main agents through which every computer is connected to the internet. They are licensed to allot public IP addresses to its customers in order to connect them to the internet. Our next question. The size of an IP address in IPv6 is dash. Given options are A. 32 bits, B. 64 bits, C. 128 bits, D. 265 bits. So here correct answer is option C. 128 bits. See the explanation. An IPv6 address is 128 bits long. Therefore, 2128, that is